الحمد لله.
يرحمك الله.
يهديكم الله ويصلح بالكم. Friends, always cover your mouth when you sneeze, and don't forget to say Alhamdulillah. See you in the next adventure of Ahmad Ki Dunya. See you all tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.